Hello my YouTube fellow followers, viewers, and subscribers. Thought I'd do a quick little unboxing today. Just doing a little kind of like a mail call type thing. So I got a package today. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, so I'm just going to open it up on camera real quick, make sure it's what it looked like, and then show you guys what it looks like in real life. So an interesting packaging approach. The person that I bought it from was not a manufacturer or a normal reseller, so they used Scotch tape, and looks like no packaging materials inside the box, so it's kind of disappointing. But it's a cooler, so it should be okay. It does look like some dings on the thing. I picked this up because it's supposed to be good for any of the LGA packages from Intel, so 775, 1150, 1151, 1155, all those guys. So looks like the box says the same thing, does not list any AMD CPUs. So the Hyper Silence RCX Z300 is apparently only Intel compatible. Now there may be a kit out there to convert it, but as far as I can tell it does not come included. Kind of disappointing. However, it looks like a decent little CPU fan, nice red color fan, so it could be a nice little thing. Interesting enough, does not include any thermal paste, so kind of disappointing, but we can deal with that. So it's a nice little fan. The best part is that on the bottom it's got the copper contact, which actually improves the heat dissipation, and it's been proven that the heat sinks like this can handle more dissipation, making the CPU run cooler than the ones that don't have copper. They've just got aluminum throughout the entire thing, so that's definitely a plus. And then it's got the normal brackets for any of the sockets and the power cable. So no LEDs on this specific model, but for $8 it's kind of hard to pass up. So yeah, in other words, I look forward to doing a review of the Rosewill RCX Z300, see how it performs as far as heat dissipation, but that's not going to be for a while because I currently don't have any Intel systems that I'm looking to put this into. I just kind of picked it up because it was $8 and couldn't pass up a $8 cooler. So anyway, again, the RCX Z300 cooler from Rosewill on their Hyper Silence line. Hopefully it holds up as promised. So have a good day everybody, and happy holidays.